Let's take a look at the S&P 500 and see what happened today. We'll also talk about the trade of the day. I think you're really going to like that, so stick around and keep this video nice and short. No messing around. We're looking at the weekly chart here for the S&P 500 futures. Of course, you could also be looking at the SPX and the SPY. You can see that we still got divergence going on here on the weekly chart, still pointing down here on the SMI. And same thing with the Big Daddy, a divergence dot there on the Big Daddy as well, pointing down. MACD just kind of tracking sideways. Okay, kind of a strong, medium-sized week. Let's see, what's the range here? 59. So not exactly a big range week. Right, kind of a small week. The last 2 weeks have been kind of small here. Now, as we get to switch over and look at the daily chart here in a moment, today had a little bit of a bounce, but we'll just see. Does it get above this 42.08 number way up here? For now, I still think 40.62 on the weekly and 40.76 on the daily, which we're going to see in a moment. I still think we're going to see price decline down into this May 28th date. Okay, all right, let's switch over to the daily. Right, so here on the daily chart, you can see we had, a pretty decent range day, 57. I noticed on the hourly chart, I'm looking over, looking over at my hourly stream that I have for the members, and it broke above a step down pattern that's been going on for the last few days. Broke out above that. So nice little bounce day. So we'll keep an eye on whether or not it hits this 42.08 line up here over the next few days. It could definitely get up into here, may even go a little above it. We'll just see what happens. It may not. But either way, I still think we're going to come down, at least hit this 41.12, most likely hit 40.76 before it's all said and done, going down into this cycle low. All right, let's take a look at today's trade. I think you're really going to like this. 5-minute chart, which, by the way, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and the 1-hour chart gets streamed to the members, my members, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. All right. So here's the alert that happened right here. I think it was at 9 o'clock or 9:05. Yeah, 9 a.m. Look at, 9:05. Look at that. This was alerted to the members on the Discord server. I'll share that real quick. We'll come right back to this chart. So here we are on the Discord server. This is where all the membership services happen. You can see there's a bunch of different channels in here, a bunch of different alerts in here, right? All of these different alerts for different type of products: gold, crude, stock alerts, top 30 stocks for S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. If you want daily alerts only, because you're doing swing trades, so I just added that today. Okay, so let's take a look though at this one, the S&P 500 alerts. Let's see right here, already have it circled, 9:06 a.m., the 5-minute alert came in. So the members were alerted on this channel, right? They just come here, they right click, they click on notifications, they click all messages, and they get their Discord app will ding them and say, hey, there's something going on with the S&P 500 alerts, right? So there's that alert that came in at 9:06 in the morning, basically the start of the intraday, right? Okay, so back to the chart. So back on the chart here, here's that 9:05 a.m. alert right there. Sorry, right there. Now, I got to ask you, how good is that alert? Just look at that. Awesome trade, guys. Trade of the day right there. So, again, I think yesterday, if you didn't watch my video, you can watch on my YouTube channel. I showed one of my trades, made $390 yesterday. I'm not going to show every trade of every day because I'm busy doing my thing, but you can see this trade right here. Just wait till the next candlestick, which would be, that candlestick right there. This big old orange triangle. And what happened to the SMI? Started curling under and coming up. That's when you take the trade right there. Same thing on the Big Daddy. And remember, this is being streamed to the members, so they get to see this is my own indicator, Big Daddy Forecast, and some logic I put in the stochastic momentum index, the GITIS indicator, which obviously is the one that has the logic that figures out when there's possibly a really good trade, which, as you can see in this case, it absolutely nailed it. And look at this all the way up. My goodness. Huge. Huge. If you wanted to exit because things got a little dicey on this candlestick right here, that's fine. You were warned about it right here. Right? You get out, you re-enter when it starts to take it off. Boom. Trade of the day. All right. So back over the Discord server. So if you like what you see in this video, okay, you can click on the link in the first comment of the video. That'll have the Discord link. It's going to bring you to this server. You click on server subscriptions. You're going to get this page right here. $7.99 a month. I mean, you can tell just by what you saw in this video that is an extremely good value for the alerts that are happening. Now remember, these alerts are happening for S&P 500, gold alerts. That's obviously futures or commodity, crude, another commodity, and top 30 stocks for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Okay. Now one more thing I want to show you, and then we'll finish up this video. So what comes with the service? Here it is. Everything is on the Discord server. So if you want to know where the service resides, it's not in this YouTube video. This is just me sharing my opinion about the market. All the services take place on the Discord server. And what do you get? You get the streaming S&P 500 charts, the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1 hour. You get S&P 500 alerts, which I just showed you. You get the alerts for the top 30 S&P 500 NASDAQ stocks, as I already mentioned. At the end of each day, you get premium symbols. Okay, you get these premium symbols right here. Now, it's the same GITIS plus logic that picks out these symbols for the futures, the options, make it black a little bit better, futures, options, stocks, industries, and stocks that appear to be ready to be shorted. In addition to that, you get a nightly email every night with my comment about the S&P 500, and I attach a daily chart to the email, and I give my comment about what I think the market's going to do. Okay, and I usually mock up the chart a little bit and indicate, where I think it's headed. And you get YouTube videos like the one you're watching right now. But just to reiterate, the value is not really in the YouTube videos. That's just giving me an opportunity to share with not only the members but the community at large. The real benefit to the membership is on the Discord server with all of this going on. Okay, a lot of this is automated, as you saw on the Discord server, right? So click the link, join the Discord server. There's a pretty good community on there. You can always hit me up on chat and just ask me how to set the alerts on the different alerts if you're looking to get alerted on the different types of alerts for the different products, okay? All right, hope you all enjoyed this video. Talk to you all real soon again next time.